Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for May 2021. Normally on my channel, I do an Ipsy versus Ipsy Plus. However, last month I waited till, I think it was the regular glam bag got here, and it was like it was like April 29th. Like I had one day to film, edit, get it all up. So I decided, since I got this, I think I got this yesterday, and I checked the tracking on the regular glam bag and it hasn't even shipped yet. So I think this month I'm going to be doing two separate videos for each glam bag. And maybe once they get their shipping figured out, I'll do the joint videos again. But last month they sent me an email saying it was going to be late, but this month I'm just not going to chance it because it's already almost to the halfway mark of the month. So anyways, we're just going to be opening the Glam Bag Plus today. If you're new to my channel, I'm a cruelty-free YouTuber, so if at any time while I'm filming, if I don't know something's cruelty-free, I will have it displayed right here on the screen for you, as well as the value on the item. There will be a card in here, but it won't tell me the value of each item, so I will look all that up when I'm editing and put it on the screen for you, add it all up at the end, see if the Glam Bag Plus is worth it. Okay, so the bag this month looks just like this. It's like a baby pink with pink roses and flowers or something like that on it, maybe carnations. That's what it looks like to me. Okay, inside the bag is going to have the card with the theme for the month, which is Flower Power. All right, let's just go ahead and dig in here and see what we got. The first thing I'm going to pull out of here, it's sticking out right on top. This is a 5-piece brush set from Shea Butter. I've only ever tried, what was it, like blush or something from this brand. I don't think I've ever tried their brushes. They don't feel like the most soft brushes I've ever felt, but they're not bad. I'm going to see which one of these I would like to keep, maybe pass on the others. I probably won't keep any of these, honestly. I have, let's see what I have here. So this is a precision blending brush right here. I have a pencil brush, which I kind of like that one. That one's a little bit interesting. I do have other brushes like this, but the tip on this one's a little bit more pointed. I have a tapered blending brush. I have 1,000 brushes like that, so probably won't be using that. I have a all over shadow. I also have lots of brushes like that, so won't be needing that. And this last one is a setting brush. I also have tons of brushes like this, so won't be using that. So the only one I'm thinking about keeping is the one I just chucked onto the floor. Let me grab it. Is this one right here, this pencil brush. So I'll probably be keeping that and passing along the others to a friend or someone else since I just touched them off. Okay. The next thing I'm going to pull out is a raw organic shea butter from SB, I think is the brand. Or maybe SB is Shea Butter, I don't know. Packaging is really nice, and it's a tin, which I like because it's better than plastic. It's more recyclable. I don't typically like the scent of roses, but let's see how we're doing here. Oh yeah, it's too rosy for me, but I swear somebody's finger's been in here. I don't know. Do you see that mark? Maybe it's just from like transit. That's what I'm gonna tell myself. Yeah, and I've been having skin reactions to things with fragrance lately. Like I tried a new laundry soap and it made me break out, which isn't really that uncommon for me. But now I'm just constantly reacting 24/7 to anything, even the laundry soap I used to use. So now I have to take a Claritin every day because I can't figure out why I'm just all of a sudden allergic to every fragrance on this planet. So yeah, I'm just going to pass that along, mostly because it's rose scented. I would probably use it if it wasn't, but I don't like the scent of rose. So that's a pass for me. I didn't even check if this brand is cruelty free. Yes, this brand is cruelty free. Okay, moving right along. The next thing I'm pulling out is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Dip Brow Gel, and mine is in the shade Dark Brown. I'm glad they're finally getting my eyebrow color correct. I've had issues with this box sending me blonde. Eyebrows aren't blonde. Okay, so this just looks like through like one of those comb through things. Oh. So there's the wand on it. The color looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and get up here and see. I mean, I have powder in my brow right now, so that's not gonna make a difference. I wonder if you can tell one looks darker. Yeah, you can tell a difference. I will try this on bare brows just to see how it really does. But I'm excited to give that a try. I know Anastasia started out as brow stuff, right? Am I wrong? I feel like they got their start doing brows. But yeah, excited to give that a go. All right, let's pull out this next thing. So this is an eyeshadow palette from Violet Voss. This is the Mind Flower, and it's fun-sized. Packaging is really cute. I like Violet Voss shadows. I have, I think, 1 or 2 palettes from them, and I enjoy them quite a bit. There's the inner component. I don't know why I showed you the back. There's the front. Let's go ahead and see what we have here. Ooh, this is cute. This is right up my alley. So it's very, like, spring is what it reminds me of. The colors, like the pinks. I'm not going to swatch it just because I'm not totally sure if I'm going to use it yet, but I am definitely drawn to it, and this pink color right here is what I am most drawn to. But I want to take a look at my collection to see what other colors I have, if I can recreate this just before I start swatching it. So I'm going to hold on to this and see if I want to use it or not. But it definitely is a great palette for me, just the color scheme alone. All right, and we have one last item. This is from Voss, which is cruelty-free. This is the Blushing Beauty Luminous Blush Palette. And it looks like it has 3 shades in here: Cora, Rosy, and Peaches. If you don't know, I'm a blush person. So let's see what sort of colors these are. I don't know how I feel about this. So there's the colors. It's pulling way more muted on camera than it is in real life. This is almost like orange looking is how I would describe it. I kind of like this color, but I don't know if I like all 3 of these colors enough to dip into this. So I think I'm just going to pass this on to somebody else as well. I do love blush, but I don't love this blush per se. So this is a pass for me just because it's too bright. Like, I like a mauve or like a light peach, like cool tone blushes, I guess is what I would say. Not neon orange. Let me show you the back if I can give you a more feel for the colors. Like, that's what it's showing. You can see like it's very orange themed. So, Okay, so that's everything I got in this month's bag. I think this isn't really a great bag. The blush I don't care for. I do think I would like the palette. Again, I'm still thinking about this. I hate the scent of rose. The brushes are You know, I like one of these brushes, but I don't like all of these brushes. And surprisingly enough, I am most excited about a tinted brow gel. Like, what is this? What is this life? But yeah, that's all I have for today's video. Let me know down below if you get this subscription, and if you do, what you got in your bag. I always love to hear all the different options that everybody could have gotten in their bag. I forgot to mention in the beginning of this video, I think you can pick 3 items to be in this bag, but I never do, so it's always a surprise. I just don't have, you got like, when they send the email, you got like that day to pick, and that's it. So it kind of makes it more fun that way too, especially since I do it for YouTube, to get surprise stuff in here. So yeah, so that's everything. Let me know what you thought down below. Yeah, if you guys like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.